Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we will see what friccion or agitacion welding is and finally the profile laminate. So let's start. What is friccion or agitacion welding? It is a two-piece joining process that is carried out in a solid state in which a cylindrical tool with a ball in its end is present in the joint between the two pieces to be welded.
The image 1 and 2 correspond to steps 1 and 2. By friction, the material softens, starting the welding process.
In step 3 and 4, the union of the two plates is observed as the machine travels along the welding line. In the right image, we see two pieces that will be joining as example. We have the spike, the union, and finally the machine itself. Once the union is finished, the perfect wall is observed, whose edge can be filled without problems, correspond to image 5 and 6. The field of application of this welding technique apply to automotive, electrical, aeronautical industry. These are some of the advantages of this type of welding method and the great profitability that it has, and of course it is friendly to the environment. What is a profile rolling? It is a process of plastic deformation in which the material circulates in a continuous mode and a preferred duration through cylinders that cause compression forces. The lamination is applied both cold and hot. Here you can see examples of profiles finished in different ways. For example, we have the plate, the profile and U, and other pieces. The profile laminate requires 3 pieces: the first rolling mill, the second forming mill, and the third finishing mill. Friccion welding has the advantage that it does not have efficiency and allows a great saving of material, a part of which is environmentally friendly, while the profile laminate is very reliable because it allows to change shapes in cold or hot state quickly and easily. Thank you for watching.